Arrive in style with this Kia 2019 Sorento 3.3 SXL. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, 290 horsepower, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.